Be doing a adductor foam roll release. So you'll bring your foam roller down and it's going to be at an angle so that the top is pointing towards you, the bottom is pointing away. So come down onto your belly, and then from here, roll over onto your side, roll the foam roller closer into you, and then pop it right underneath your knee. Then from here, you can either lay down or stay propped up on your forearms. This might give you a little bit more control. And then you'll roll your leg. You'll roll the roller up and down your inner thigh. And when you find a spot that is really tender, you'll want to hold here for about 30 seconds or maybe 5 breaths. So this is whenever I really do like to lay down so that you can completely relax your muscles. And then breathe here. And then once it's been 30 seconds for that spot, you'll roll and find a new one. And repeat the same thing. The other options you can do are some movements. So you can bend and straighten your knee here. You can do some hip external, internal, and external rotation. And again, you may want to lay down for this to help your muscles relax. And if you decide to do the movement pieces, I recommend you do that at each of those 3 spots that you pick that are tender. And that is how to foam roll your inner leg.